All right, so in this video, I want to show you a really cool app that you can use to send emails from a spreadsheet. Now, the requirements are you need to use Gmail. So if you don't have a Gmail account, it's not going to work. Here is the sheet that we're using, and we're using this because the client has a Paid Memberships Pro plugin that we're going to import new users, and we're going to send them their passwords. So we have a kind of a pre-configured password we're going to be using, and all the information here. Here are the column IDs we're going to be using for the import, but in addition to that, we're going to be also using this for the mail merge. So let's go over to mail merge for Gmail. And this is called yet another mail merge. So at yaml.com, and they have a pretty cool little system here that they've built up over time. It is free for 50 emails a day, or you can upgrade to $20 a year and get, I think, up to 400 or 500 emails per day, 400 emails. So it's pretty good. You don't want to send too many emails anyway because it's going to create it might create a spam issue. So just be mindful of that. So what we want to do is we're going to go to Sheets and we're going to add on this plugin. So what you want to do is you want to get add-ons and you're going to add yet another mail merge. I already have it in my sheet, so it makes it a little bit easier. And I have an account with them. I think, I'm not sure if mine's paid or not, but I do have one at some place. So, all right, so what you want to do is you want to go to yet another mail merge once it's installed, and then you're going to start mail merge. And it's going to load the plugin. And then you're going to just make sure this has the right information. So user email, all right. I created a fake email account for this particular one, so we can test it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and continue. And here's the key piece here. So you can do sender name, which is me, and then the email template you want to use. So this email template I created in my Gmail account, and it's saved as a draft automatically. So what I've done is I've created the message. So in this, you want to use the two left curly brackets and two right curly brackets wrapped around the actual row that you want to use as the mail merge. So we have the login, the password. The email is automatic because that's going to be put in the top part, and then any other pertinent information that you want to use in there. So for right now, we have the user login, the user password, and the login, which is it'll be the actual domain for our client here. And then I just leave this sit here. It'll save automatically as soon as you make an update. It'll save it to draft. So this is your new membership access. And we're going to go back to Sheets and we're going to pick this one out. And it's that one. And then you can track the emails. And then we're going to go ahead and you should probably send a test. I have one email here, which is a test to a separate email just to make sure it shows up correctly. I would always do a test to make sure because you never know when you're going to miss something. There's always good to just see it, like especially on your mobile phone too. Mobile view, desktop view, if you have more elaborate information in there. But for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and send one email, and this will take a moment. And then what it's going to do is you can see that it added a merge status there, and it's going to say it's sent, and we can go ahead and close that. And this will actually give you a status here. So nothing's happened yet. I'm going to go over to my temp email. This is temp-mail.org. I already created one, and I'm going to go ahead and refresh and see what happens. All right, so here's the email that showed up. So we'll look at that in a moment. We also want to see what happened over here. It is not shown, but let's go ahead and click on it. And now that we've looked at it here, it shows the password and it shows the name, the username that we're going to use, and my first name. So this indeed did work, and everything about it looks good. So and you can see that these links down below in the bottom left, that they are tracked links. So those are, as soon as they click on it, it's going to show up in this. So it's kind of a cool way to see how how the opens are, see who's actually active. So last thing we want to do is we'll just click on one of those links. Whoops. Let's click on one of these links here and see what happens. All right, so I don't have that domain, funny enough, but it worked, right? So the link worked, of course, and then it's going to say that it actually was clicked on. So you have all the information, we have all this, and it'll actually send you an email stating how many people opened and clicked. So you'll have a big list of opened, clicked, responded. Some people, since this email is kind of being out of the blue, may look like a phishing scam or something like that too. So people may just respond, just make sure it's you. So you'll see that as well, and you'll see that there's a response here. Anyway, really good little plugin. It's that way you can avoid having to import a bunch of passwords into your MailChimp or Constant Contact or whatever newsletter system you're using, because for privacy reasons and also just one other step. So hope you like this video, and I hope you can use it for yourself.